so that Chinese goods once destined for the US could come to Europe instead. That's actually part of a longer story. So it's been a sore point, Europe accusing China of dumping steel and solar panels on European markets. So do you think then that there is a risk that the EU will have products dumped here by China, and even that the EU may be tempted to react by imposing tariffs on China in turn?
Of course. I mean, they have to protect their industrial supply chain and the industrial base. Everybody does that. I mean, just look at Russia. I mean, the big friend and ally of Beijing, they had imported 1 million Chinese cars last year. And then the market share of China went above 70%. Russian brands were basically below 20 or 30%. And Russia has installed a recycling fee, which is a trade barrier, of course. And the imports from China into the Russian market went from 165,000 a month to 15,000 a month. So it's not just Europe that is acting. It's Turkey, it's Brazil, it's Thailand. Everybody has to watch out. So it should be in Beijing's interest in order to channel these exports, in order not to trigger these kind of trade barriers. If the tsunami is going to happen, if everything presses into one particular market, in our case Europe, of course the authorities have to respond, and they have to respond fast.